many people with my power. I created the Crescent City tsunami. My time was reported to be 3 to 5 minutes long. I was birthed in Alaska. And my actions up there were said to have reached California, Crescent City. The answers that I created was approximately 9.2. I caused millions of dollars in property damage to everything in Alaska. Along with this type of destruction, I caused over 200,000 or 2,000 landslides and avalanches, with one particular avalanche and said to have reached 7 miles along the top of glacier. You said it was a good Friday for me because I was very destructive. I loved causing such destruction. It was fun. I may have to visit Alaska again. I may have to bring more strength. My birth was equivalent to 100 million tons of dynamite, TNT, flowing all at once. They could not find my epicenter because there was only 2 earthquake monitoring stations in Alaska. I was headed, if the world knows my deed, was that now I shook the very foundation of the planet, leaving scars on the earth. Also, in the families of 131 people, I drowned in the sea of dreams. The time on the earth was brief. The destruction I did was prevented, only lasting 3 minutes. The time, I believe, was 5:36 p.m. The plate boundaries that created my birth are the 3rd plate, pushing underneath the North American plate. One person saw my